X10 Series Android Car Stereo Operation Guide. Wireless CarPlay/Android Auto Instructions. 01. Go to the Bluetooth 1 settings screen and enable Auto-enable CarPlay/Android Auto after BT connection. From the home screen, open the CarPlay/AA app. On the main page, tap the Setting button to go to the settings screen and set up the basics. Tap the center icon to bring up the 3 phone connectivity modes. You can choose the one that best fits your needs. On the head unit, select CarPlay. On your iPhone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and search for the device. Tap Allow on the pop-up and complete pairing. Once connected, wireless CarPlay will start automatically. Note, wireless CarPlay is available on iPhone 5 and later models with iOS 9.0 and higher. Select Android Auto on the head unit. On your phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then search for the device to pair. Tap Allow or Pair on the pop-up and complete the pairing. Once connected, wireless Android Auto will start automatically. Note, wireless Android Auto is compatible with these Android versions. Any phone with Android 11.0 or higher. A Google or Samsung phone with Android 10.0. A Samsung Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus or Note 8 with Android 9.0. If you encounter any issues during installation or use, our support team is ready to assist.